Hey, it's Mark Barrett again. Welcome inside. Now, the information you see down below you here is the full text of the Insider Report, which many also refer to as the coffeehouse letter, since it was, in fact, written at a coffeehouse by one of the most successful reps in the world of online and network marketing today. It outlines kind of a major shift in the whole network marketing business model that's taken place over the last several years that has, well, let's face it, changed the entire industry. Now, I'm going to give you a brief overview of what the report says, but first I want to tell you that there are, in fact, two solutions to the problems outlined below. Now, one of them is a partial fix in which you can just change your marketing approach from a low volume direct approach to a high volume approach by using online marketing systems and an automated sales funnel. Now, if done properly, the impact of this is pretty dramatic, and it will improve your business quickly since it will allow you to move from recruiting just 2 or 3 reps a month to potentially over 10 plus per month. Now, the other solution is to not only use the high volume marketing approach to generate multiple signups, but also to change your business model to what is referred to as a top tier opportunity. Now, the effect of this is even more dramatic, and I believe it's a better long term solution to the problem outlined below. But first, let's talk about the problems the network marketing industry is facing today. Now, the premise of the report below is that, hey, network marketing is, as we know it, is dead, unfortunately, and in fact, the internet killed it. Now, that's a pretty radical statement, but there's a lot of truth in it. Today, building a network marketing business is a little bit like trying to fill a leaking bucket, right? I mean, today the industry is being flooded with thousands of new network marketing companies that enter the market every year. Now, let's face it, there are only a finite number of distributors to go around. So the competition for your downline, even once you go through all the hard work of finding them, is literally only an email or a mouse click away. Because of the advances in the information age and the internet, your downline is constantly being bombarded with new offerings and new opportunities every hour of every day. So it's pretty easy for a new rep to get totally distracted if they don't hit success right away. And if they're really struggling, well, there's no problem. There's probably a new opportunity that's more than likely going to bounce into their email inbox within the hour, unfortunately. Now, this has become such a huge problem that even the top leaders in the industry who have built large organizations and who are making huge amounts of money feel compelled to keep jumping from company to company just to maintain control of their downline and to keep them supplied with fresh opportunities, because otherwise they know they're going to lose them to somebody else. So if you choose to build an organization in the network marketing world of today, you need to build smarter and you need to build faster. Now look, network marketing is just like any other type of sales. It's always been a numbers game. The more people you can put information in front of, the more prospects you'll have. The more prospects you have, the more distributors you're going to be able to sign up. Now, trying to do this with the age-old approaches that have been in the industry for 50 years or more, like making a warm market list or chasing prospects down in the grocery store, may have worked to some extent in years past, but you got a bucket here that's leaking. So you need to fill it fast, and those slow building approaches are just not going to work for the average distributor. So we go to where the traffic is today, and that's on the internet. And we use an automated sales system that can not only present our opportunity, but also sift and sort our prospects and maintain communication with them. Now, this allows you to use leverage and gives you the edge of using technology to not only capture the traffic, but also to manage it. Now, with a good sales funnel system, coupled with some good training on online lead generation, I know people who routinely generate anywhere from 25 to 50 plus leads a day. And that traffic can give them the ability to sign up multiple people into their opportunity every week. Now, we'll talk more about this system on the next page. Now, using technology and the internet to build rapidly will solve part of the problem, but unfortunately, it's not a complete solution. The simple fact that your downline is going to be constantly bombarded by a new flood of opportunities pretty much guarantees that this vision we have of long-term residual that most people have been sold as part of the network marketing benefit package is just not going to be there for them. So the reality is that, hey, it's a business. And you're going to have to keep running it as a business on a daily basis as long as you expect to generate money from it. Okay, so don't figure on retiring in the network marketing industry. So as I've said earlier, there's an alternative that is a more complete solution, and that involves using the same type of a high volume automated online lead generation system, but also changing your business model from a standard network marketing company to a top tier model and using what is referred to as the GPT model, stands for Get Paid Today. Let me explain. Now, in the network marketing industry, there are two types of business models or companies. Now, there's a standard company and there's a top tier company. A standard network marketing company has a buy-in or distributor sign-up of a few $100, usually has an auto ship of about 100. Now, because the entry price for the product package in a standard network marketing company is so low, you're going to need a large number of people to generate a full-time residual income. I mean, let's face it, you're going to need several hundred to generate even a few thousand in residuals, and you're going to need 10,000 or more to get to the kind of money that most people are really looking for, right? Now, because of this, you not only have to be a good recruiter and be able to bring in 10 plus people a month, you also need to rely on that magical duplication in your downline, where we hope the people that we bring in actually go to work and duplicate our efforts. Now, even if we're the best recruiter in the world and that magic duplication does not occur, we're never going to get to the income we're looking for. Success in a standard network marketing company is many times, well, it's due to factors that are totally outside of our control. Now, with a top tier company, I mean, the difference is like night and day. These companies have a much higher ticket distributor sign up, and as a result, in some cases, you can sponsor 3 or 4 reps a month and potentially be earning 5 figures a month without having to depend on downline duplication. Now, that's pretty interesting. So, you end up dealing with a better quality of prospect, and it will take far less distributors to make you far more money. Now, with the top tier or GPT model, you're not totally betting on what could happen in the future as your organization develops. Rather, you're getting paid for your efforts today. Now, the choice, of course, is yours. But at a minimum, you do need to move your marketing efforts from from a low volume lead generation approach to a high volume system so that you can hit the numbers you need to be successful in any company. And that's the system that you're looking at now. That's what it's all about. So finish reviewing the information below, and I'll see you on the next page, where we'll talk about a powerful marketing system and training platform that you can use to leverage yourself and put your recruiting on autopilot and be successful in any company.